Hi friends, this is Lakshman. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today's session is very important for any type of developer or automation test engineer or DBA roles or database developer. So anyone who has been working in the IT organization, this topic is very important for them. The topic is nothing but SQL joins. SQL joins concept is very important whenever you are facing technical round as well. Okay, so I'm going to explain with a simple example, then anyone can easily understand it. It may be a non-technical person also can easily understand with this session. Okay, so what is join? Join means combining two things and the result will be one. So let us take there are two cables are there. If you want to join these two cables, you can join like this. It makes a 1. Output will be 1. Okay, so here one cable and this is the second cable. You want to join these two and you will make it 1. The output will be 1. That is nothing but join. Then what is the use of SQL joins? The SQL joins are used to get the data from two or more tables and the result will be appear in a single table. Okay, so there are different types of SQL joins are there. So inner join, or we can also call this one equi join, and outer join. Outer join again subdivided into left outer join and right outer join and full join. Okay, you just remember inner join, outer join, full join. Outer join is subdivided into left join and right outer join. Okay, then what is inner join or equi join? Inner join means only the matching records will be get the output from the two tables. Suppose I have taken here employee table and address table. So whatever the records are there, only matched records will get output. Okay, so the output will be like this from these both tables: emp id, emp name, employee name, again emp id, address. So whatever the matching records are there from both tables we will get by using inner join. So what are the matching records here? 101, 102 record and 103 record. Only up to 103 records only matching. There is no 104 matching record in the address table. That is nothing but equi join or inner join. I hope you clear your doubt. Only matched records will get as a output. Okay, now we will understand what is outer join. Outer join is nothing but we get the output from both tables. We get the data from both tables, whether it's matching or unmatching, no matter, we get the output. Again, outer join is subdivided into two types: left outer join and right outer join. Now let us look at what is left outer join with diagram. Okay, so here is the diagram for left outer join. So left outer join means you will get the all the records from table A. Okay, and also from table B, whether it is matching or unmatched data. You will get the result from both tables. Okay, but you will get all records from left table. That is the reason left outer join. All the matched records will become as a result from left table. See with example you can understand. So here is employee table is left table and address table is right table. You just assume that. From the left table you have 5 records. All 5 records will be available as a output. See here, all 5 records are there from left table. From right table you will get only up to matched records. Up to here matched records are there, but 107 and 108 records are not matched with the left table. That is the reason here from the right table you are getting null option. Okay, those are not matching, you will get output result as a null values. Okay, from the left table you will get all the records as a result. From the right table up to matching records will get output, but not matched records will get as a output as a null values. I hope you clear. I will tell you example also how you are going to write this one. Select star from EMP left outer join address table name here address. Okay, on keyword. Okay, so this is the query to retrieve, to get the data from two tables by using left outer join. Okay, I hope you understand how you are going to retrieve data by using left outer join. Okay, so by using left outer join you can get all the data from left table and also matching or unmatched data from right table. Okay, I hope you clear now. Okay, now let us look at right outer join. Right outer join means it's completely opposite to left outer join. So right outer join means all the records, you will get the result from all the records from right table. Okay, whatever the unmatched records are there you will get as a null values. Okay, so here is the output for the right outer join: null, null, null. Okay, but right outer joins all the records will get output now, so that is the reason you have to write here. So whatever the options here, 107 Chennai, 108 Delhi. Okay, so this is the right outer join. So right outer join means you will get all the records, matched records from right table, and also you will get the output from left table also, whatever the matching and unmatched. Up to here matched is there, unmatched there is no 104, 105 by using right outer join. So for this one you have to write query like this. The same thing only, you just replace left outer join with right outer join. Right outer join, that's it. Remaining everything is same. Okay, now we will understand what is full join. Full join means is nothing but you will get the result, you will get the output from both tables, whether it's matching or unmatching, everything you will get output. Let us assume this example only, employee left table and right table, employee table and address table. So here 5 records are there, here 5 records are there, and some records are matching and some records not matching. So you will see the output like this. So whenever you are using full join, so up to here okay, 103 both tables are matching, 103 records up to. Okay, see here 104 record left table, so you will get the null values from right table. 105 and 107, 108 those records not available from left table, but whenever you are using full join, all the records 104, 105, 107, 108 all the records will be get the result. Okay, if there is no match records are there, those are remains as a null values. Okay, so this is the actual process. Okay, for this one you have to write query, you have to change, replace with only here only right outer join place you have to write full join. That's it, everything remaining is query is same. So that's all guys. If you really understand this session, please hit the like button and also give comments if you have any doubts regarding this joins concept. Okay, so thank you for watching.